Hello, Elle here, and in this video I shall chat about the potato varieties and why I chose them to grow this year. There's an extra 7th variety at the end of this video, so do continue watching to find out what it is. So it's now February, and for many this is the month to start the sowing frenzy. I'm still easing into the sowing frenzy myself, but I'm starting to chip my seed potatoes now. The plan is to start planting in 6 to 8 weeks from now with fully ready seed potatoes. There are many schools of thought regarding the value of chitting potatoes. I'm on the side of chitting them because it saves me time and does no harm as far as I can see. I have chosen these 6 varieties for the following reasons. Pink fir apple. Pink fir apple is a family favourite in terms of flavour and yield. Very reliable. The only slight downside is that some family members don't like to peel them due to their knobbly nature. I tend to just scrub mine clean and then steam them. As in previous years, pink fir apples will be planted in a raised bed. Alexandra. These are saved seed from shop bought potatoes, Lidl's in fact. At 99p then, I would plant 3 in each tub and when grown enjoy a lovely buttery flavoured potato, great as new potatoes or smashed. These are grown in buckets. Caledonian Rose. I grew these for the very first time last year and they have fast become one of my favourite potatoes of all time. Delicious, super versatile and very high yielding. Like last year, I shall be growing them in raised beds. Maris Pear. These were a back of the cupboard find left over from the Christmas dinner shopping. I've never grown these before, but have heard very good things, so I thought this year I'll give them a try. I should be growing these in buckets. Last year I had a few shop purchased potatoes left over and a spare bucket and thought I'd try and grow these and see how they go. I completely forgot about them until I started my autumn garden tidy up. These produced a few good sized potatoes which I found to be absolutely delicious. So I'm growing them from official seed potatoes in the hope of harvesting some lovely and very early baby potatoes in a few weeks. These will be grown, as indicated, in buckets. Here's pink. I tried in vain to grow these last year, couldn't find a source. At the end of 2023, I finally found some on marshalls.co.uk for £6 for a kilo. They arrived last week and I was initially disappointed with the number and size of the seed. At least I have them now to grow this year, and if they turn out as well as I expect, I will keep some over for next year's seed. These will be grown in a raised bed. And now for the extra seed potato, Heidi Red. I grew these last year on trial, and whilst I was impressed with the yield and colour, I wasn't that impressed with the flavour. However, of all the seed I saved from last year's harvest, wouldn't you know, the Heidi Red produced the best saved seed. So, after much consideration, I've decided to give Heidi Red another chance and see how they fare in 2024. Again, I will be sowing these in containers and may sow some in a raised bed if space allows. and so I can compare which does best, container versus raised bed. Let me know what varieties you're growing this year in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you're kept up to date with future videos. Make this year the year to grow more with EVERBEE Garden. Thanks for watching, take care, happy gardening, bye for now.